Student, today we are going to learn various forging operation. First, upsetting forging operation. This is the figure of upsetting forging operation. This is the hammer, this is the workpiece. Now upsetting is the process of increasing the thickness of a bar with decrease its length. The job is supporting on the anvil and hitting with hammer, or job is placed in a switch block hole and hitting with hammer, or job is clamping in a vise and then hammering. So what is upsetting? It is a forging operation by which the cross-sectional area of a metal is increased with a consequent decrease of its length. Okay. Second forging operation, drawing down. This is the figure of drawing down forging operation. This is the workpiece, this is the top movable fuller, this is the bottom fixed fuller. It is held in anvil. This is the hammer. Drawing down is exactly a reverse process of upsetting. Here, reduction in thickness or width of a bar to desired size with corresponding increase in length. Here we use crosspin hammer, a set of fuller. This is the top movable fuller, this is the bottom fixed fuller. So drawing down, it is a forging operation by which the length of a metal is increased with a consequent decrease of its cross-sectional area. It is opposite to upsetting. Okay. Next forging operation is setting down. This is the figure of setting down forging operation. This is the workpiece, this is the platter, this is the hammer. It is a localized drawing down by the set hammer and platter. It is done a small portion, a small length of a job. Okay. So setting down, it is a forging operation by which the thickness of a metal is reduced. At the beginning, this operation may be done by fuller, but it is finished by a platter. Okay. Next forging operation is bending. This is the figure of bending operation. This is the end view or side view of the anvil. This is the workpiece. Bending is an important forging operation and very frequently used. Bending may be done over the edge of the anvil face or over the anvil horn. Bending the bar with a wrench or tongue. So, bending, it is the forging operation by which a metal may be bent to any shape. Okay. Next forging operation is punching. This is the figure of punching operation. This is the job. This is the job. First operation, second operation, last operation. Next, this is the job, this is the punch, this is the hammer. Punch from front side. Next, the opposite side is punch. This is the hammer. Finally, this is the punch hole. Punching, it is the process of producing hole, generally cylindrical, by using a hot punch over the hole of the anvil or over a cylindrical die. So, punching, it is the forging operation by which new holes are made in metal. The tool used for this purpose is called punch. The tool used for this purpose is punch. Okay. Next forging operation, dipting. This is the figure of the dipting forging operation. This is the anvil. This is the workpiece. This is dipped. This is the hammer. Here, a tool dipped is made to pass through the punch hole to produce a finished hole of the required size. So, dipting, what is dipting? It is the forging operation by which a punch hole may be increased in diameter. The tool used for this purpose is called dipped. A dip is nothing but a taper punch. Okay. All of these operations are common forging operation. Okay, thank you.